Mr. Udin. I'm a Year 5 teacher at Hillstone Primary School. And we've been very fortunate today to have Learn by Design, funded by ZEISS, come into school and work with our children. Now, the theme is looking at optics, and this company has brought in a huge array of really engaging activities for our children to participate in. We start off by looking at lenses and talking about the application of lenses, and the knowledge of the children straight away was apparent. It's something they've come across, but throughout the day they looked at different scopes and how the application varies from different points and uses. The children had the opportunity to use robots, which they programmed, as well as more challenging games. I think in essence it has made them appreciate the sense of sight and just how valuable it is for themselves, and to have an understanding of how the world works with it.